Hello guys, welcome back to OTA Academy, the School of Automation. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to log in to your VPS on your mobile phone. It's very simple. So the first thing you are going to do is you go to the Play Store, whether you are using Apple, you are using iPhone, or you are using Android, it's the same process. So you go to your Play Store or iOS Store or Apple Store. So you click on the Play Store. So if you click on Play Store, you come to this down part, you search. So you just search for window. Once you search for window, you see this first one. Look at it very well. Window app. This is the one we are using. So you click on it. I've already downloaded it. So you download yours. So once you've downloaded yours, you see Microsoft Corporation. So you download it. Then you open it. So once you are opening it, you see something like this. You just accept. You can skip. Do you get? So to ask you sign in workspace PC connection. What you are doing is PC connection. So you click on PC connection. It's going to give you something like this. Okay, this is what it's going to give to you. Or in case you didn't see this option, let me show you another way. Let me take this off. You can go to this plus sign by the top right hand side. You click on it. It will still bring the same option. Account workspace PC connection. You click on PC connection and you click on OK. So in this PC connection, it will ask you to put in some details. So the VPS provider will have sent the details to log in to you. Do you get it? It will have sent it to you to log in. So if you are using our broker, which is the Forex, for example, Forex will have given you the login details. So let's go to Forex, for example. If it is Forex, you'll have gotten something like this. You see IP, administrator login, administrator password. You'll have gotten this kind of details. Do you get it? And please note, the password is case sensitive. The best way to do is to copy and paste. That's the easiest way so that you will not make any mistake. Like this IP now, you don't have to copy the RDP in front. You just start from 1702.23.169.20. Then you put, is it semicolon or colon they call it? You put it, then you put 3388. They will have sent your own to you. You can't log into this. So let's go. Then the login you put administrator. When we get there, I will show. The PC name will be the IP, which is 170.23.169.20 colon 3388. It's very important you write the correct IP as a PC name. So this user account, you put add user account. If you put add user account, it's going to ask you for the username. Don't forget the username, you put administrator. Where did I get it? Let me show you. So you can see it. That's the administrator login, administrator. Then you put the password. So let me put administrator, capital letter A, administrator. Please, no space in front. Do you get no space like this in front? It will not work. So make sure there is no space. You can see the what's it called? The cursor, or what is it called? Is by the last letter, which is the arrow. Then you put the password. So I've already copied the password. Let me just paste it. Then you save it. So after you've done that, another thing you just do is this admin mode, you turn it on. This swap mouse button, you turn it on. Then don't use for local address, just turn it on. These three, turn them on. Then you go to save at this top. Click on the save. So it's going to come like this. Oh, another thing I want to tell you, let me edit it. This place, this friendly name, maybe you want to add like 20, 15. So to be able to differentiate them, you can just put a name to be able to differentiate. You can just put here. For example, if you don't put any name, this is what you are going to see. You can see 170.2. But for you to be able to differentiate, you can just put this friendly name. Maybe your name is, let's say your name is, let me just use OTA VPS, for example. Then you save it. So you can see it's showing OTA VPS. Then the next thing you do, you just tap it. So you tap it, you allow it to load. So it's going to bring out this. In order not for you to be saying this, you can just take this and connect. Never ask this again for this PC. Okay, this is how you are going to see it. So you can see the mouse. Do you get anything you want to do here? You can always use the mouse to adjust it. You can only use the mouse to adjust anything you want to do here. So this is how to log in. Another thing, to see a bigger view, you can just rotate your phone. I will advise this. Just rotate your phone like this to be able to see a better view. So you rotate your phone. You move your mouse. I want to make this one bigger. So I want to maximize it. Do you get it? So this is how to see it. So you can, so another thing I want to show you, the network. Okay, it's back. So one thing I want to tell you is this. This is very important. To be able to move your mouse correctly, you see this window here, this window sign, this black box, this 4 black box, click on it. So it gives you something like this for you to be able to navigate. So you now click, if you look at this top, you click this one with hand. You click that one so that you'll be able to use your hand to do whatever you want to do. Do you get it? So if you want to put off your trading bot, you just click this auto trading. You just click it. So it's showing you red now. You can see it. You put off your trading bot. If you want to put it on, you click it again. You've put it on. So this is how to put on and put off your trading bot. If you want to adjust, maybe you want to increase your lot size, you want to make more money. So you click this, whether you are using our Orion Reversion Pro or Profem bots that can trade Profem, or you are using OTE Premium AI. So you can do the same thing. So you just click on this. You can click on the Orion Reversion, the image, just click it 2 times. It's going to load this for you. And here is it. If you want to change your lot size to whatsoever you want to put it, I will advise you, this use auto lot size, just click it 2 times. Click it 2 times. So you put it in false. Then you now put any lot size of your choice. Any lot size of your choice. To type the any lot size of your choice, you need to go and bring the keyboard, which is here. So you delete what is there, then you put any lot size of your choice. Maybe you want to use 0.3, for example. So that's how to do it. So once you are done, you click the something again to disappear. Do you get? This is a keyboard to type. You go to this keyboard. If you are done, you stop it. Do you get? So you put the lot size there, any lot size of your choice. So I think that's the most important thing for you. Just to adjust your lot size. That's the most important thing. Every other thing, just leave it. And if you know how bot works, you can always play around it. Do you get? So this is how to, after you've done that, you click on OK. But I'm not going to click on OK here because I don't want to mess up with the settings of this account. Do you get? So that's how to do it. If you want to off your bot, you click on this auto lot. You just tap it. It will show red. Then it's not going to place any new trade. If there is no trade running, it's not going to trade once you put it off. Anytime you want to put it on, you on it yourself. Make sure it's showing green again. So you can see it's showing green again. So this is how to do it. And don't forget, if you want to adjust your lot size, you just go to this place. You just click it 2 times. 1, 2. It's going to load for you. Then I said this use auto lot size, you put it false. That's the only thing you should do. Just tap it 2 times. So you put it in false. Then you put any lot size of your choice. You tap it 2 times. Anyone you want to do, you tap it 2 times. Then this is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. You bring out the keyboard. You can delete, you put the amount, the number there. Okay, you put what you want, you put it there. Okay, so you can put maybe 0.1, 0. Anything you want to put, you put it there. And once you are done, you hide it again. And that thing I taught you, and you click on OK. Once you are done, you click on OK. But this account, I'm not going to click on OK. I'm just going to cancel it because I don't want it to mess up with the settings of this account. And that thing I also told you is, in case when you start, you'll be seeing mouse. Okay, you'll be seeing the mouse moving like this, which you might not really understand this. But better still, what I would just advise you is click on this black, like the window sign. You click on it, you use the one with the hand. It's easier on the laptop. So once you've done that, you click on done. Okay, so you can now use your hand to do whatsoever you want to do here. So this is how to do it. And once you are done, to leave this place, you don't have to cancel anything. You just go back. Do you understand? You just minimize. You go back like this. For example, this is how to go back. You see, I didn't close anything. My own, I just click the back button and it took me. Anytime I want to log in again, I can just click on this one. It's as simple as that. So if you don't understand anything, feel free to reach out to us. We will assist you. And don't forget, if you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.